Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about a topic that is becoming increasingly important in our digital world, cybersecurity. If you're new to cybersecurity and don't know where to start, this comprehensive video is for you. Understanding cybersecurity. Let's start by understanding what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity refers to the practices and technologies used to protect digital systems and networks from cyber threats such as cyber attacks, data breaches, and unauthorized access. And speaking of cyber threats, there are many types to be aware of. Some of the most common include malware, phishing, ransomware, and more. Understanding these threats is crucial in protecting yourself and your data. Building a strong foundation. Now that we understand what cybersecurity is and the types of threats out there, let's focus on building a strong foundation. First, it's essential to have strong passwords. Make sure to use a unique password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Next, make sure to keep your software up to date, including your operating system and applications. This will help protect you from cyber threats. And lastly, backing up your data regularly is crucial in case of data loss or theft. Make sure to store your backups in a secure location. Staying safe online. Now that we have a strong foundation, let's focus on staying safe online. Be wary of suspicious emails and attachments and never click on links from unknown sources. Understand phishing scams and how to identify them. These scams are attempts by hackers to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or financial information. And finally, make sure to install antivirus and anti-malware software and keep it up to date. Regular scans will help protect you from cyber threats. Taking your cybersecurity to the next level. For those of you looking to take your cybersecurity to the next level, learning about network security and understanding encryption is a great place to start. Network security involves protecting your network from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. Understanding encryption is the process of converting plain text into ciphertext to protect it from unauthorized access. Quick summary. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field and it's important to stay up to date with the latest practices and technologies. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to protecting yourself and your digital assets from cyber threats. Don't be afraid to dive deeper and continue learning about cybersecurity. The more you know, the safer you'll be. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this comprehensive video helpful in getting started with cybersecurity. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.